Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to show pen menu icon when pen is in use in your Windows 11. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna use search box here. I'm gonna search settings and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your personalization here in your left side menu, click on it, and then you can scroll down until you find taskbar, click on it. And then if you scroll, you will find system tray icons and there will be option to pen menu, show pen menu icon when the pen is in use. So the pen menu icon will show in your taskbar here. So you can just turn it on, and whenever you use your pen, the taskbar will be in, the icon will be in the taskbar. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.